Premium quality, Travel Universal Cable Organizer is made of high-quality waterproof fabric and built-in shock-absorbent material, with a delicate soft cotton fabric like the interior, designed to fully protect your precious objects. Large range, the storage bag has multiple compartments and non-slip elastic rings and mesh pockets for storing various electronic accessories, mouse, power bank, charger, hard disk, power supply, USB keys, and so on. Flexible design, most of the distinctive features consist of 3 adjustable Velcro divider blocks. You can design the layout as you wish, give this cable compartment more space to store the accessories, keep the accessories in order. Easy to carry size, the multifunction organizer for travel on electronic cables is able to carry everything you need when you travel. Perfect size of 24.5 x 18.5 x 10 cm easily adapts to your luggage, backpack, briefcase, is perfect for travel.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,